If you want to make your photo look more polished and cinematic, learning how to add a vignette in Lightroom Mobile is a quick win. A vignette darkens or brightens the edges of your image, so the viewer's attention goes straight to your subject. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to vignette in Lightroom Mobile step by step, and I'll also share a few simple tips so your edit looks smooth and natural, not overdone. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom Mobile tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your photo in Lightroom Mobile and go to the Effects panel. This is where you'll find the vignette controls. Once you're in the Effects section, look for the Vignette adjustment. The first setting you'll use is Amount. If you want a dark vignette, move the slider to the left. The further left you go, the stronger the darkening effect becomes around the edges. If you move it to the right, you can actually brighten the edges instead, which can be useful for certain creative looks. Now let's fine-tune the vignette so it fits your photo better. The next control is Midpoint. Midpoint changes how far the vignette spreads into the image. If you move it one way, the vignette stays tighter around the edges. If you move it the other way, it spreads farther into the photo. This is great for controlling how much of the image is affected. After that, adjust Roundness. Roundness changes the shape of the vignette. A more rounded setting gives you a softer, more circular look, while a lower setting can make the vignette feel more oval or compressed. This helps you match the vignette to the composition of your photo. Next is Feather, and this is one of the most important settings if you want a natural result. Feather controls the softness of the transition between the darkened edges at the center of the image. For a smooth, natural vignette, keep Feather high. That creates a soft blend instead of a harsh edge, which usually looks much better in portraits, lifestyle photos, and everyday edits. Finally, use highlights to protect bright areas in your photo. If your image has bright spots like reflections, skin highlights, or light backgrounds, increasing highlights can help keep those areas from getting too heavily affected by the vignette. That gives you a cleaner and more balanced edit. A good tip is to start subtle. Don't push the vignette too hard right away. Small adjustments often look better than heavy ones, especially when you want your photo to feel professional and realistic. Once you're happy with the look, zoom out and check the whole image to make sure the subject stands out naturally. And that's how to add a vignette in Lightroom Mobile. It's a simple effect, but when you use it correctly, it can make a huge difference in how your photo feels. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy Lightroom Mobile editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.